Hi, what's up Dogecoin holders? So this is a live price prediction of Dogecoin, my brother, and absolutely in this video we will predicate this coin. We will do a technical analysis, and also at the end of this video, my friend, I will share my opinion. So kindly holder, you need to watch this video completely to understand better to what's going on next, and they will give you a profit in upcoming days or not, my brother. So this time, as you can see here, 25.63% profit, and absolutely you can see here the price of Dogecoin latest price 0.3 USD dollar. So I know to upcoming days they will hit now easily 0.5 USD dollar to the my friend before end of this month, and dev absolute, my friend, at the end of month, especially at the end of month, in the start of second month of weather, I will give you guarantee to they will hit now 0.6 to 0.7 USD dollar. It's a all target, my friend, to they will hit now, but absolute, my friend, a holder especially starting selling, so therefore the coin were very badly dumps down. But kindly, I have request to kindly please don't sell it absolutely if you just and only wait for the end of this month. So I will give you guarantee to they will give you a very good profit. Now they will give you 0.5 to 0.7 USD dollar. Please don't miss this chance, take a risk and get a profit. My prediction is totally positive now, absolutely. As you can see, my brother, after a phase every coin will take a very huge jump now. So therefore my brother, absolutely the direction is moving in upward direction, so that's clear to upcoming days they will also take a very huge jump now after this phase. Please, my friends, please follow my instruction. I will give you guarantee to you will be get a profit at the end of month if you follow this channel. So kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for latest updates videos.